Yes, for the board's perspective, this is the reduced syllabus for the first year intermediate of accounting. So I'm sharing with you the two dates in the what is the current updated syllabus we have. Maybe if there's some changes, then again I will let you know. We have introduction of accounting. The first part we have is basics of accounting. Then second, accounting concepts. Then we have accounting equation and classification of accounts. Then we have rule of debit and credit, and we have done it also. Then we have generalizing. In generalizing, we have analyzation and generalization of transaction. That will be called as your journal or double entry system. Then we have ledger and trial balance. What is an account? What is ledger posting? What is footing and balancing? Is means it's balance CD and BD. Footing and balancing is balance CD and BD, and then trial balance. We have also done this. Then we have cash book and petty cash book. We have three column cash book with normal balance, and then three column cash book with overdraft balance, and then petty cash book. Okay, so we have done this also. Then we have special journal. This topic we are currently focusing is just sales journal, sales return, purchase journal, purchase return, then controlling ledgers and subsidiary ledgers. Then we have is bank reconciliation statement. It's your recording transaction in cash book and passbook. Passbook is called your bank statement. Then simple bank reconciliation statement with normal balances. It means which is normally treated. We will go through it. And then adjusting entries of bank reconciliation. Lastly, we have adjusting entries, which is covered only these six general entries in your board examination. It is very easy. Depreciation expense, bad debts expense, accrued income, prepaid expense, merchandise inventory. Then we have financial statement. Financial statement, we have income statement and balance sheet. So this is the syllabus. Now I would like to share with you the principles of commerce syllabus also. Yes, it is on your screen. You all can see the four content on your screen. But again, these contents are covering different topics which we have done. We have an introduction, commerce and business. We have branches of commerce. We have trade, industry, marketing profession, e-commerce and digital commerce, qualities that one businessman should possess. Then we have scope of commerce, then essentials of establishing a business house. ये आपका chapter 2 है जो मैंने introduction में cover किया हुआ है. Then we have assessments of opportunities, nature of business and finance. These are the topics which is in your headings of chapter 2. Then we have forms of business organization. This is covering 5 chapters. Over here, the types of ownership, definition, advantages and disadvantages of sole proprietor, partnership definition, essentials, advantage and disadvantages, types of partners, partners agreement, rights and liabilities of partners. Then we have dissolution of firm and partnership, joint stock company, background features, advantages and disadvantages. Then we have formation of a company, prospectus, memorandum and article of association, classification of companies. We have also done this also. Then we have marketing, the concept of marketing, the definition, the functions and importance of marketing, and it covers one chapter more, that is your channels of distribution. Okay, the lastly we have the kinds trade. In trade we have, again it's the trade heading covering different chapters also, 4 to 5 chapters. Kinds of trade, middleman definition and importance, wholesaling definition, types of wholesalers, services of wholesaler to retailer and producer. The two different headings we have done: wholesaler to retailer for services, and then service of wholesaler to producer. Then retailing definition, services of retailer to consumer, and services of retailer to wholesaler, or you can say producer. Then types of retailers, and then we have foreign trade. So this is the syllabus of first year, principles of accounting and principles of commerce, which I have shared with you. Thank you so much.